Hello guys, so today we're going to be talking about the alternatives to Motion. So Motion is a scheduling app and it's one of the most used apps in this field. However, there are a few different negatives about this app that are basically making it harder for people to use Motion and are looking for alternatives. So some of the negatives about Motion are lack of essential features such as monthly calendars or multi-selecting to-dos for bulk action. Also, a steep learning curve, so Motion is tricky to learn for certain people. It also doesn't offer any free version. It just offers a 7-day free trial, and it requires credit card information, and also it's really costly. So there are a few different alternatives that we can use instead of Motion, but today we're going to be talking about the three that I think are probably the best ones. So first of all, we have Upbase. So Upbase is its first up first positive compared to Motion is that it's pretty simple to use, and it offers a free plan. So it has a free plan with unlimited user lists, tasks, and storage. It also has a 3 times lower price range, and it's friendly for both individuals and teams. Also, it has the option to customize the app in order to suit the certain project that you want. It doesn't have AI help in it, so if that's something that you require, this app isn't for you. But if you don't need it, it can definitely be really useful. The second motion-like app, or the alternative, is Asana. So Asana is a scheduling app that helps you in ways that Motion does not. So it helps you break down projects into to-do lists. It helps you set due dates, create tasks and project dependencies, and many more. It also can sync to different calendars. It can sync different calendars in a unified view, and that will help you obviously with scheduling your existing stack. It also has a inbox page that makes it easier to create discussions and create different topics about the project. Asana does not come without cons as well. It's heavily focused on team collaboration, and also it allows only one assignee per task at a time, and also it lacks in time tracking. However, Asana also offers a free version, which is something that Motion does not. And the third and final option is Google Calendar. So Google Calendar is pretty similar to Motion, but it also has its certain set of advantages. So firstly, its user interface is a lot cleaner and its navigation is smoother. So it's really simplified, and unlike Motion, which leaves a lot of people confused, Google Calendar is really clean to use. It allows you to create tasks, schedule meetings, set reminders, and track progress. Also, what distinguishes Google Calendar from all of the other ones, it is integration with Google Suite, which offers you Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Meet. For those people who use the Google Suite ecosystem, this is something that is really useful. It's really it's a really good app for people who are used to Motion but are looking for a alternative, and however it also has certain limitations. It has limited integration for non-Google apps. It does not have built-in time tracking, and it lacks advanced functions for managing meetings. When it comes to pricing, this app is completely free to use inside the Google ecosystem. So yeah, these are the three alternatives that I would recommend, each one of them giving different approaches and different benefits, but also coming with a different set of negatives. So it's up to you to choose whichever one fits you most. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.